So I just needed to do a quick summary of what I want my magazine to be and where I want the whole direction to go in. So I know that I definitely want to do a fashion magazine, as I have a great, I just love all about the fashion, and I get the I get the magazines and I've analysed them a lot, and I base my questionnaire off of it, and I think I know where I'm going to go with that. I've got a few ideas already with the direction within the fashion bit and what I would like to include, such as for one of my models or my main person who I'm going to have in my magazine, I may have a few articles which talk about their home life, for example, just like where they like to go out on walks and what sort of fashion they like to wear and all of this. I really want to include the home life aspect to some of my models, so then I can use my outside photo shoot and not just have to be inside, which is really important to me. I think that's basically it. And if I think of anything else, I'll put it down below.